What's up, all you Hot Wheel lovers? Look where I'm at. I am at the Gainesville show right here. We are in blue and orange territory right here. And this place is jamming with people. They got live music. They got all kinds of rides. People from all walks of life are out here. Look at that. You got JDMs, you got a couple hot rods, you got Lamborghini, look at that, BMW, you got motorcycles, you got split bumper Camaros, you got super cool people. Look at that, holy smokes, that thing is gorgeous, man. Look at that, that is very gorgeous. Look at this face. That's the best, right? That's the best. Got the Porsche Club out here. The Porsche Club is out here with the detail kits. You got all the vendors out here. You got motorcycles. There is a zillions of people out here. Wow, what a nice day, right? Look at this. You remember the whale tail? The fox body? That's how cool is that, right? Got C10, IROC. There is some people out here. Let me just tell you, Gator country. This is Gator country right here. When Gainesville does a show, everybody comes out. Let me tell you, TT. 69 Jaguar, Bentley, Harley Davidson is out. Look at this, wow, convertible, man, convertible Impala, Aston Martin, Ferrari. Woo! Then you got the dragster right next to the van, man. Look. Woo! Everybody be popping over here. Let's go check out these rides over here. Got a Mach 1. I gotta show you this bad boy. Look at this. Look at this thing right here. Zombie. I got some guns right there. Like you got bullets. Flathead. Wow. Very cool, right? Very cool. You got the motorcycles. You got the cops. Look at that SWAT mobile. You can get in the SWAT mobile. That's how you know when the police and the fire department show up with the ladder. Look at the ladder up there. You got all the tents. Look at this bad boy. Oh, bug truck. My favorite. Look. New body style bug truck. Love the bug truck. Wow. Q-bug. Q-bug. That's cool. Oh, what do we got here? A 55 Ford. Wow. That is cool, man. All right, we got enough time to go look at the SWAT mobile. Since they're letting everybody inside. You can buy cookies, got food. Man, look at that. Got all Popo over here. Let's go look. I never seen in the SWAT mobile. He's up top over there. That's cool, man. Look at that. Alachua, my own town right here. Look at that. Look like an F-850. Oh God, just like on TV, right? Line them up. Look at that. Let's just stand up top. Come on, let's go stand up top. You got it, right? Wow, you point the gun through that thing. Come on, man. Now that's gotta be the best day ever. See you on the next Motor Car Show.